Mr. Svarog.
I see that the energy supply system is back online. Thank you, Clara. But why have you brought them?
Mr. Svarog. They...
Analyzing. Analysis result. Target does not belong to Wildfire. Background unknown. Classification. You have arrived on Clara's recommendation. I will give you an opportunity to speak.
Oh, hey, sounds like he's willing to communicate. Quick, time to smooth talk him.
You seek peace. Understood. Nevertheless, your statement is unilateral. My position will be determined after assessing the result of our negotiation. Proceed with your central point. Do not waste this world's valuable time.
He cut you off completely. This guy.
Stay focused. Remember, we have to make him see that we're a variable in the...
Stellaron. Searching database. Access denied. Discussing Stellaron with Anna. You were broaching a secret that lies at the heart of this world. A secret. Reassessing targets. Threat index raised. I demand that you...
As expected.
We've come this far. Out with it already. Just be straight with him.
Historical records state that humanity has already made multiple efforts to engage with the Stellaron. Without it, as instructed by the architects, any attempt to engage with the Stellaron will result in great...
What should we do? This is going from bad to worse.
There is no evidence to suggest you are an exception. Calculate peacekeeping protocol temporarily disengaged. Requesting extermination...
Extermination? In the literal sense?
Peace talks are over. March. Prepare for combat.
Mr. Svarog, please don't!
Leave, Clara.
Clara, it's dangerous here. Find somewhere to hide.
Looks like we have to take action after all.
Prototype number 3. Monitoring automaton Svarog. Extermination protocol launch. 6. Annihilation permitted. Purge initiated. Calculating result.
Move carefully. The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision. Right.
Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move.
Move carefully.
Rules are made to be broken.
Everything's ordained by the stars. Oh, profound secrets of the stars! Give these trailblazers your blessing!
A guest with no manners, huh? You have the worst luck running into me. Stay right there while I give you a present! Look out!
Executing annihilation.
Try that again!
Executing operation.
You can't run! With me out here, how can we lose?
Batter up!
threshold.
How can you put up your best fight without a doctor on the battlefield? All of you, stay focused. I'm right behind you.
Nat, how did you...
Guess you guys had a bad talk, huh? Luckily...
Sampo! I knew you'd be involved somehow.
Base breached. Armed wildfire personnel detected. Assessing, all subjects are high-risk individuals. Commencing complete annihilation. Executing annihilation. Executing operation.
Go away!
Move carefully.
Let's make it quick. Batter up!
Stay right there while I give you a present!
Purge initiated.
You can't run!
Calculating result.
Try that again!
Step aside. I have no...
I don't remember it.
Let's go.
My turn. With me out here, how can we lose?
Analysis complete.
You can't run! Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
How can you put up your best...
Rules are made to be broken.
The truth of life and death, revealed in this sanctuary, is but a vision.
Everything's ordained by the stars. Oh, profound secrets of the stars. Give these trailblazers your blessing.
Move carefully.
Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
Let's make it quick.
You have the worst luck running into me. Stay right there while I give you a present!
Executing annihilation.
Just a scratch.
Executing operation.
Try that again!
Let's go. Batter up!
With me out here, how can we lose?
Reinforcing. Non-Misi threshold.
More than that.
You can't run! Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
High-risk individual.
The truth of life and death, revealed in an instant. This sanctuary is but a vision.
A guest with no manners, huh? Look out!
Purge initiated.
Try that again!
Calculating result.
Rules are made to be broken.
Clemency? Never heard of it.
Stay right there while I give you a present! Everything is ordained by the stars. Oh, profound secrets of the stars! Give these trailblazers your blessing!
Evaluating variables.
Let's make it quick.
Executing operation. Analysis complete.
You can't run! I don't remember inviting. Look out!
Let's go. Batter up!
With me out here, how can we lose? Gotta try hard sometimes. Check out this awesome move!
The truth of life and death, revealed in this sanctuary, is but a vision.
Family.
Please don't hurt Mr. Svarog!
Clara! You...
Mr. Svarog can't fight anymore. Please! Please don't hurt
Clara.
Mr. Svarog! Don't push yourself any further. Can you tell them what you know? Mr. Svarog, you said you were willing to make all my wishes come true, right? Recently, I learned something new. Calculation results can't always bring people happiness, even if the world outside the cage isn't beautiful. People still want to know what it's like.
Assessment system reset. Successful. Processing variables. Variable 1. Clara's request. Variable 2. Outsider's intentions. Updated assessment result. Transference of decision-making authority to outsiders. Outsiders.
So we did it? Without her, even if we defeated Svarog, there's no way he'd have given us access to the intel.
I hope his memory bank really does contain data on the stellar.
Is this it, Nat? Us? Wildfire? The underworld?
No, Zila. Our battle, their battle, it's just beginning.
What's up? Nervous?
No. But I do have an aching feeling in my chest. I'm ready. Reveal the truth.
I have finished collating the Stellaron data and records. Do you? Requesting database materials cache, serial number 13175. Request approved. Transmission. This is the fruit of many years of research, Madam Guardian. The evidence is...
The people will struggle to accept this conclusion, Doctor. If we were to tell them that the almighty Elisa Rand activated this thing and triggered the...
It's the truth, Madam. The truth won't change with the opinions of the people. The reports before you are the precious result of painstaking effort on the part of Bellabog's greatest scholars.
I have never doubted you, Doctor. On the contrary, I am resolute in the face of this conclusion. From the moment I took up this mantle, that voice, their voice, has made its home in my mind. I shouldn't be telling you this. Let's return to your research, Doctor. I'm afraid I cannot make these reports known to the public, unless you have found a way to completely destroy the Stellaron.
I understand. Cache number 13175. Transmission.
I don't understand, Doctor. Why do we have to hide such valuable research results away? They're the...
You're still young, child. The Supreme Guardian. She sees further than you or I.
I just think it's a shame. Our research has hit an obstacle. Meanwhile...
Don't be upset, child. You still have lots of time ahead of you. Cache number 24830. Transmission.
Why is there a robot here?
During his life, this was Dr. Mearsheimer's personal robot bodyguard. I heard it's a prototype from the Great War. Since the doctor and his assistants passed away, it's remained here. It hasn't moved.
Oh, I see. Let's start. We must unearth the doctor's research conclusions. All of them.
Madam Guardian, I've found them. All the documents are here.
Good. That'll do.
Madam Guardian, what should we do with the robot?
It would seem a great waste to destroy it. Find someone to reset its system, and then arrange for it to be sent to the underworld. I hear that the development group is in need of a robot with defense capabilities.
Yes, madam.
I'm sorry, Doctor, but these results must be taken care of by the architects. One day, somebody will be able to carry out your behest.
Cache number 57614.
So, the truth is clear now, right?
Putting minor details aside, this is the conclusion. Eminent individuals, not to mention the Guardian herself, knew early on that the Stellaron was the source of disaster on this world. But in order to maintain the peace, they decided to hide the truth. Secret research detailing a method for destroying a stellar. Now only one question remains. Why would Cocolia exhibit such a sudden change in her attitude towards us?
Branya? Are you okay?
I'm fine. I feel a little faint. Why, Mother? Maybe...
I'm sorry. It's no use lying to yourself, Branya. It's time for you to make a decision.
Hey, can I have a word with you? I know that we'll need time to process this new information,